In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of the Spark app. Maybe you're switching devices, troubleshooting a sync issue, or you just want a clean start. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through a clear, safe sign out so you know exactly what to expect and don't lose any work along the way. First, open the Spark app on your device. Give it a moment to load your inbox. If you've been composing a message or have attachments uploading, it's a good idea to finish or save those drafts before moving on so nothing gets interrupted mid-process. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen and tap the three horizontal lines. This is the menu button, sometimes called the hamburger icon, and it opens Spark's main sidebar. If your interface looks slightly different due to a recent update or device size, the icon is still the same three lines near the top left, and it behaves the same way. In the sidebar, head to Settings, which you'll find down at the bottom left. It usually has a small gear icon next to it. Tapping Settings brings you into the area where Spark keeps app preferences, notifications, account controls, and other housekeeping options. At the top of the settings screen, tap your profile. You'll see your email address listed there. For privacy, we won't read it aloud, but you'll recognize it on your device. Opening your profile takes you to a page dedicated to your account information and sign-in status. Now, in the top right corner of this profile screen, tap Logout. Before you confirm, remember that logging out removes your account access on this device until you sign in again. Your emails and account aren't deleted, they simply won't be visible here, and notifications will stop. If you rely on badges or alerts, make sure you're ready to pause them. Spark will ask you to confirm, so tap Logout again to finish. After a moment, you'll be signed out and taken back to the app's Welcome or Sign In screen. That's your confirmation that the process is complete. If you ever need to get back in, just reopen Spark later and sign in with your usual credentials. And that's all there is to it. Open Spark, tap the three lines, go to Settings, open your profile, choose Logout, and confirm. Taking a few seconds to check for unsent drafts beforehand ensures a smooth sign out. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you log out of Spark with confidence.